Today I'm going to show you how to take a pinion bearing off. I'm doing a re-gear, so I just need this for a setup bearing and I need a shim. So I got a bearing separator tool from Harbor Freight. You just tighten it up, make sure it's down in the groove. I tighten it up as tight as I can get it without like messing up the shim that's underneath this bearing. You can make a little puller and pull it if you want, but I just use a hammer. So I'll start off by tapping it down, and it'll usually start moving pretty easily, and then you have to start using force. You can absolutely use heat on this if you want to, but I started tapping it and the tool loosened up, so I have to tighten it, and I started really whacking on it for a couple minutes, and the bearing will start to move. Like I said, it'll be a lot easier with heat, but it seems like GM pinions come off pretty simple. Even Jeep ones do. So here it is, it's off. I'm after the bearing and the shim, and I can use this for a setup bearing. That way I got to keep pressing it on and off. So I'm just going to ream all this out and use it. But that's how you take a pinion bearing off, and it's pretty simple. Just takes a couple minutes. Some of them are hard, some are pretty easy like this one.